I'm Lynn Lilly, creative mom boss, armed with a hot glue gun and a pocket full of confetti. After getting laid off from my corporate job in 2014, I decided to lean into my love of crafting and creativity. Craftbox Girls was born. I'm on a mission to make DIY easy and inspire women and their families with projects that are great for all ages. Since our launch, I've had the opportunity to create and craft for millions, travel the country inspiring people all over with easy DIY projects, and build and grow a all-female-led rock star team, and we even opened up my dream craft and film studio. Every day I get to live my dream and hopefully inspire you through easy DIY home projects. From room flips to home decorating and decor projects, I'm here to help you make your house a home. I've discovered a love for creating colorful products that inspire you to create and bring happiness to your home and workspace. As a mom, I know the importance of creating meaningful activities for your kids. From seasonal craft kits to sharing easy weekly DIY kids crafts, I love sparking creativity at a young age. My love of parties started as a child and grew as I worked as an event planner early in my career. All year long, we're sharing easy DIY party decor, themes, costumes, and projects to make your holidays special. Craftbox Girls was born from a dream and my love of creativity, but it was built by a team of talented women that sweat glitter on the daily to create amazing content and products for you. This crafty adventure is just getting started. Join in on the fun by subscribing to our newsletter at craftboxgirls.com and make sure that you join in the fun on social at Craftbox Girls. Welcome to the Craft Squad. Happy crafting!